Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel 99 Reviews. Today, I'll show you how to make file extensions visible in Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 hides file extensions, but sometimes, we need to see or change them. Here's how you can do it. Open any folder on your computer. At the top right, click on the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. From the drop-down, click on Options. It has a small settings icon next to it. The folder options window will open. Now go to the View tab. Look for the setting called Hide Extensions for known file types. Simply uncheck that box. Then click Apply and OK. That's it. You'll now be able to see file extensions like .jpg, .mp4, .txt, .exe right in your folders. This is especially useful when you want to rename or change the file type manually. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.